one-day workshop exclusively designed for pharmaceutical marketing companies. So, directors, designated partners, and proprietors of pharma marketing companies should not miss this opportunity to attend one day workshop for business management. Important aspects such as marketing, HR, finance, general management, and apart from this, many more aspects related to team building, how to retain people, how to go ahead to achieve the objectives which you have designed for this coming financial year 2025 2026. Don't miss to attend. To know details, connect with Dr. Girish Telang 8983 455 885. Best wishes and regards.